What's up, y'all? It's August 25th. There, say hi to Hurricane Harvey. Not gonna do much here except flood it maybe. So, Bluebird, I still gotta put battery cables in. I went out and bought some battery cables they're out of a Thomas EF with a Cummins, but they'll work just fine. Let's see here. See them right here. So, yeah, I got light fixtures and crap, so got those. And Thomas has fresh batteries, so we're gonna go take it, go get some diesel fuel. They're shooting golf balls out here at the ranch, and that trailer there is a freaking barbecue pit trailer. We got the big pit back there. So let's crank the old girl up, take her out. Oh shit, what am I stepping on? Oh jeez. The seat just fell on the triangles. My goodness. Okay. Will that work? Yes! Alright. There we go. Oh yes. We got air pressure too. Buzzer's going off because the wet tank is empty, so it has to fill back up. The battery's looking good. Everything's looking good. Wipers. We need those. Yeah. Oh, she sounds happy. So, one's for Frederick. He was asking me to shoot video, so there you guys go. Also, stop arm. The spring broke, so I've got this rigged up right now. This is the old style stop arm. This is like a swinging door return spring. It is made by Specialty, but they don't make this kind of arm anymore, so I'm gonna rig something up to where this spring will keep it shut better and tighter. So basically the way it works is this right here pushes the stop sign out. You can see where it pushes in right here, and then it gets sucked back in, and this actually does the rest. So anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.